Hello, everyone. Today, I will explain the YouTube Shorts algorithm update for 2026. Many creators are noticing changes in views and reach, and it's important to understand how the platform now prioritizes content. First, YouTube now focuses even more on audience retention and watch time. It's not just about clicks or views anymore. If viewers drop off in the first few seconds, your shorts are less likely to be promoted. Next, engagement matters a lot. Likes, comments, and shares are signals that your content is relevant. The algorithm now favors shorts that spark interaction, not just passive watching. Then, content relevance and niche targeting are key. Shorts that align with your audience's interests perform better. Random viral trends may get short-term spikes, but niche-focused content builds long-term growth. Also, posting consistency is more important than frequency. Sporadic uploads are less effective than a regular posting schedule. The algorithm rewards creators who consistently deliver quality content. Finally, Shorts metadata matters. Titles, descriptions, and hashtags help the algorithm understand your content. Using relevant keywords naturally improves discoverability. So yeah, the 2026 YouTube Shorts algorithm focuses on retention, engagement, relevance, consistency, and metadata. Understanding these changes helps you optimize your shorts for more views and reach. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.